What's up, YouTube? This is a video on how to make your wicks thicker or how to get them thicker. So basically, when I started off, my lock there wasn't a stick like this. So basically, when you rubber band your locks, they'll make your wicks come like this. So after time and time, as the new grow locks, it'll just lock cylindrical. So what I did was I busted down the middle and I stretching them. You know, the locticians call them decompression. You fluff them out. Let me show you one. See this one? It was cylindrical. I bust it open. How I did it: first, you're gonna need three tools. You're gonna need your brush, your crochet needle, and what is called a lint roller. Step one, you're gonna use the lint roller to get all the lint out. Then you're gonna use a nylon brush. You know, the regular brush that you use, a brush like this, and then you just brush it down. Don't cup and stroke. Then you're gonna brush it up. Then after that, you move to the, what is it called? The first brush is gonna be the nylon. The second brush is gonna be I think it's the bronze cut brass, the brass brush. And then from there, it's like the locks, they'll get a little weakened where you could bust them. You see, look, I bust majority of them, made them thick. I bust this one down. I bust this one down. I bust this one. I bust down majority of them. You know, you got a whole bunch of new growth. And in the future, I'm gonna just let them ride and eventually they're just gonna lock together. But yeah, this is how to make your wicks thicker.